Good morning, AC. It's Thursday, April 23rd, and I'm Lily Rodkey here with Mackenzie Stelmach with your morning announcements.
Congratulations to the following boys tennis players who are competing in the Lancaster Lebanon League Flight Tournament at J.P. McCaskey and Conestoga Valley. Travis Hostetter, Gus Guarantano, Isaac Hostetter, George Mag, and Emilio Fuentes Garcia. Good luck at the tournament.
All Dutchman PAL members should remember the meeting today after school. Today's lunch is homemade lasagna with garlic toast.
That's all for your announcements. And now we have a special treat. On Tuesday, members of the AC Music Department had the honor of singing the national anthem at the Harrisburg Senators baseball game. Here's their performance.